Liza,
Yeah.
I tell you what, honey, I'm so excited that you're here.
Yeah, me too.
I almost can't even think about my cake that I've made for you. Thank God I got the cake made before you got here. Oh, I'm so excited. You're just as precious as I knew you would be.
Oh, darling, thank
We're
you.
like sisters almost.
are.
Oh my gosh. So, do you make a German chocolate cake?
Yeah, I do.
You do? Mm-hmm. Well, I've got a special surprise for you. Now, we're layering this one with a creamy coconut custard filling. All right, now we are gonna start making this filling.
All right.
I need 1.5 cups of white sugar and 1.5 cups of milk.
Okay.
And while you're doing that, I'm gonna separate some eggs. You know, once in a while you meet people that you have really admired from a distance, and then you meet them and you can be a little disappointed.
Oh.
There's a fly in here, and I can't stand a fly.
But it's not in there, at least.
No, it ain't in there. There was not 1 ounce of disappointment with Liza. Look, I'm gonna get him.
You got it! That's the chicken. That's the stuff.
Listen, I can't stand
How'd you do
them.
that?
I'm quick.
You want this to boil up, huh?
Well, yeah, it's probably gonna have to kind of boil a little bit.
Okay, darling.
All right.
Yeah.
Why don't we go ahead and put our eggs in?
Okay.
Now that everything's mixed up, if you don't mind, I'm gonna borrow your whisk, just a whisk, though. So I've got a surprise for you.
You do?
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you ever lived in the country?
Yes.
I've never lived in the country a
But not
day in
for
my
a long
life.
time.
All right. So there you go. Now you do
Okay.
your thing right there. I started me a chicken coop.
No, I've never done that.
I've always wanted a chicken coop. Do I use my eggs, sister? I do use my eggs. Oh my God, I adore my chickens.
Have you named them?
Well, I did, but now I get them mixed up, so I don't know who's who.
Right.
In fact, I just wanted chickens to, like, live out in the yard, you know, and just let them take over. And Michael said, absolutely not. You are not gonna turn a bunch of chickens loose in our yard. So I said, okay, well, how about a coop? And finally, he ran out of argument. And I won. These chickens, I go out, and they love for me to rock them.
Oh,
And scratch their ears.
how nice.
And I'll kind of sing a little, and they go to sleep. So I want to take you to my chicken coop.
All right.
And I bet you could sing them slap into a cone. No males. We don't have any roosters, because roosters are mean. You know how men can be aggravating sometimes. Now, you know, Liza,
What?
that I am distracted if I forgot the butter. I'm gonna put in 6 tablespoons. Does that look like 6? Yeah, there's like 8 tablespoons in a
Well,
stick.
there's some left.
Okay, and you don't like that, do you?
No. All right, now how many of these do we do?
We need 2 cups of
mercy.
coconut.
Mercy, child.
There you go. Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah.
We need some nuts now.
Okay.
I think of like 1.5 cups. All right, Liza, I think this is cool enough, don't you?
Uh-huh.
Get your, reach your little finger in there and get you a bite. Love, love.
Oh, Mommy.
Isn't it delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Was your mama a good cook?
She was a short order cook.
She was.
Yeah. Yeah, she could make anything really well. My job was always clean up.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
My mama was a wonderful cook,
I know.
but I didn't have long with her. You know, we lost her very young.
Well, I was
But-
22 when my mom died.
I was 23. I was amazed because we have so much in common. Oh, look at you, you're a perfectionist. You know, sometimes you're lucky enough to meet people that you connect with and you feel like, gosh, I've known this person all my life.
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna put this in the freezer and let it sit for like an hour.
Hey, honey.
If you would open that freezer drawer right there. Right here, baby, the
Where?
drawer.
Oh, this is it?
Yes. Do you not have drawers?
Not like that. Man, that's convenient.
Okay, Liza, it's finally time to frost your cake, honey.
Okay.
I told you we was gonna make a ganache for it.
Uh-huh.
So if you'd put this chocolate in that bowl right there.
Okay.
And put a couple of tablespoons of butter.
Of course. Half a stick of butter, you said? No.
Yes.
How much you said?
About 2 tablespoons. 1.5 tablespoons of white corn syrup. All right, now we're just gonna pour, and I'm gonna give you the whisk.
Okay.
Because what we want to do is we want this cream to melt our chocolate.
Okay.
I was tickled when I found out that German chocolate cake was like her favorite.
What is ganache?
It's just chocolate, honey.
Oh.
It's like a thin chocolate frosting, and the ganache made it extra special. You know, I'd made the cake earlier for you.
Yeah.
I made another recipe of this ganache because we actually need to chill it. And now we need to spread it all over our cake. Look at it running all down.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Now we'll just tuck in some nuts. I've got some chocolate curls.
How are we gonna do this?
Just like this.
Got a plate? Or no, we're not.
Do we need one?
No. No, it's just us, isn't it?
Look at that.
Hell of a piece, man.
Yeah, and you know what?
Gee, I couldn't possibly. Oh, no, I couldn't.
Me neither. I know.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.